Okay, super cool day. Got a lot done, I think. Let's see. I don't know if that's better. Is that better? I'm gonna try something new. Gonna make a spare tire area for Penny. Wish I did that with Carmelita, but we'll see if that works. And you got your ass cut off. Stripped a lot of the wiring. And took a lot off the front. Just need to take off this piece right here, which will take no time at all, but it's holding the battery, so I'm waiting on that. Had a little boo-boo. Don't know my own strength after a couple beers. But let's see if it starts. Mucho taker offo. Here's my deluxe seat. All right. Oh, it's on. See if we can go for a ride in this sucker. Here we go. Neighbors will love this, I'm sure. Nothing new to them. I'm sure they're probably used to this. Seeing me do stupid shit like this. But if it can run like this, it'll run with that beauty right there. No lights, no brake lights, no nothing but a milk crate for a seat and a strong ass motor. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, doing pretty good. Holy shit. That's too much. That's a lot of not having no seat. Getting kind of dark, as you can tell. Rolling smooth. Rolling real smooth. Holy shit. Oh shit. Let me try this. Holy shit. Almost fell over. Oh shit. Okay, cool. Alright, I got it. Running smooth. Feeling good about Penny. Running smooth. Alright, I'm gonna pull in Carmelita. But just wanted to give you a heads up where we're at. Alright.